Okay, these are fake eggs that motivate chicken to lay some eggs, and all of the farmers do this trick to motivate them. And it is a hole that filled with some powder, and it's fake. That's it. Now I want to gather goose eggs. They're not. I want to gather those eggs exactly here. We have some chickens here. Very good. 2 eggs here. Three eggs, okay. That's fake, yeah? That's fake. This one is fake too. Sometimes goose laid egg here and sometimes there. So learn this trick. Use fake eggs to motivate your birds. That's it.